In this video, let us try to learn another important feature in AutoCAD, that is called as temporary tracking. Now you see here, we have got a rectangle. Inside this rectangle, I have to draw a circle over here and another circle over here. Okay. So what is the diameter of this circle? The diameter of this circle is 50 millimeter and the diameter of this one is 30 millimeters. I am telling millimeters because I have set the units to millimeters. Okay. So these 30 units is taken as 30 millimeters. Now, what is the distance? What is the x-axis from this corner? This distance is how much? 30 along x, and then along y it is another 30 downwards. Similarly, here it is 25 and 25. Okay. Now, how we are going to draw this one? Now, let me show you how we are going to draw. First, let me just change the color for the purpose of demonstration. I will just take a green color. Now I want to, first I need to locate the center of this circle. Okay. So now I will just go take a line command. Go to this corner. So what I will do here in the running object snap, I will select endpoint. Okay, very good. It's already selected. Just let me move it a little bit. I will escape. I will just go and select endpoint. I will come down by how much? 30. Enter. Then I will go like this. 30. Enter, then escape. Okay. So similarly from bottom I want to draw another line. From this corner I will come like this, 25, enter, then I will go up 25, enter, escape. Okay. I have this point and this point. Now I will go to draw the circle. He has given me diameter as how much? 50. So I will select center and diameter. So where is the center? Since in running object snap endpoint is selected, it will catch here. That's fine. I will click here. So what is the radius? It is telling previously I have drawn 20, so it has taken 20. Forget it. I need to type how much? 25. I have selected as a diameter, is it not? I have to put diameter as 50. Enter. See, it is there. Now similarly what I need to draw another circle. Come and select from this end point. What is the diameter? Diameter is 30. Select. Okay. So now I have got both the circles properly selected. Now what I need to do? I need to delete this line work. This line I have to delete. Click on this. Click on this line. Similarly click on this line. I don't need this. Click on this. Go near. Click on this one. That is your left mouse button. Then I have to go and just press this delete command. So it is gone. So actually what I did, I have drawn line over here. Let me undo it. I drew a line here, one line here, another line here, another line here. Then again 4 times I have to delete them. So this is extra work. To avoid this one, we have got another facility which is called as what? Temporary tracking. Is this clear? Let me delete the circles now for the time being. Is this clear? Now I will delete this one. I will now go. I will select. What I will select? I will select this circle. Circle is what I need to draw. Is it clear? I will select circle. Then what I will do? I will not type in the command line anything. I'll just keep it here. I will type TK enter. See, the moment I press TK enter, in the bottom you can see here tracking point. Here you can see in this command line circle first tracking point, it is telling. What I will do, I will just go and select this end point. Click on the end point. Now see, when I am moving down, you can see there is a dash 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 line coming. Okay, and something is highlighted there. So what I will do, I will type how much I need to type. 30. I will type 30, enter. Now it is asking me next point, next tracking point. See, here I come like this. Okay, so again I will type as 30. Okay, now I will enter. So the moment I enter, so 2 tracking points I have done. See there, still I am here, is it not? It is asking me third tracking point. I don't have any third tracking point. I will simply, to end the tracking, I have to press enter. The moment I press enter, now I am into what? I am into my circle command. So what is the diameter of my circle? The diameter of my circle is 50, that is 50. 50 and enter. Now see, I have got my circle. Those lines are missing. Those lines which in the previous case we had drawn, is missing now. Is this clear? That's the good thing. So I need not have to draw, I need not have to delete. All this work is gone completely. Now let me draw the other circle also. I will go to this one, select circle, because the diameter is how much? 30. And I will just come here. I will just type TK on the keyboard and then enter. So it is asking me enter the first tracking point. I will select this end point. Now I move in this direction. I will type 25, enter. Then I will go up like this. I will type 25, enter. Again I will say enter because I don't have any third point, enter. So I am out of tracking now. But I have got my circle here. See here. Sorry. Let me redo it. So TK, enter. So first tracking point is this one. I am coming like this. How much is that one? 25, enter. Then I will go up. I will type 25, enter. Okay. Now see, I am already having the tracking point there. Okay. Again, I will enter. So I am out of tracking point. Now I have to draw the circle. The diameter is how much? 30, because I have selected circle with center and diameter. Enter. See here. I have the circle with diameters. If I want to see, I can just go put the dimensions. I can check the dimensions from where. From this corner, I want to just see for the circle. See. How much is this? This is 30. And similarly, one more time, I want come to linear dimension between this corner, and if I click on this circle center, I will find it here. See, 30, 30. Okay, so this is what, this is temporary tracking. This saves lot of our work. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.